Upgrade my router, and I'm super excited to check out this brand new AX6600. I'm finally upgrading my Wi-Fi 5 router, and this is a tri-band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router, perfect for 3 to 4 bedrooms. I'm excited. Let's open it up, check it out, set it up, and see what it's all about. This is the router itself. You have a little TP-Link logo right in the center there. Kind of an X design, quite like that personally. And for your 8 antennas, you're just going to plug them in all along the side there. And a USB 2 port and a USB 3 port on one side. On the other side, here are all of your LAN ports. And these are the antennas. Again, a nice design, guys. All you have to do is kind of push them into place, and that's basically it. Now, they do not move. You can't rotate these antennas, so they are fixed in place. This is the overall router, guys, so you can see the footprint, you can see the design. So it definitely looks like a beast of a router in my opinion. And with all of the antennas, I'm hoping I'm going to get some really great range and speeds with this. Again, Wi-Fi 6 is going to be less crowded than those other channels around the neighborhood, 100% for sure. And I like the design. It's definitely race inspired, gaming inspired, if you will. But now it's time to check it out. Let's install it and check out all the user-defined settings together and see what it's all about. Log it into the admin control panel of the TP-Link AX6600. Shout out to TP-Link for sending this over for review. This is the main control panel, main page, or splash page. You can connect. You see if you're able to connect to the internet by this little check mark. You see which SSIDs you have enabled. I have a 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. I also do have a mesh network connected, so I do have a little extra node, but I haven't used that node when I show you the speed test. That's just a more accurate way to show you the speed test without using the node. Of course, you can see how many clients are connected. So I have a whopping 37 clients connected. No problems at all. That's a little spoiler alert. This router can handle as many clients as you throw at it. And there's your internet information right down there. Now, for those of you that game, you do have a little gaming center. So you can see your network traffic, your upload and download speed. And you can see your CPU loading as well as your memory usage as well. And you have the connected USB devices right over there. Now, the gaming mode is great because if you want to give any specific device, say your PS5 or whatnot, a little bit of priority to the internet, you can go ahead and click on this device priority list, and it's going to make sure that this device can always access the internet. And you can also select an amount of time. So if you're going to be gaming for, say, 4 hours, maybe you just want to give it priority for those 4 hours. Or you can, of course, not enable any device for device priority. Now, speaking of you gamers out there, you also do have a game accelerator that's going to try and reduce that game latency. So you can go ahead and activate that. And there's a couple other options here as well. You do have built-in antivirus. You have some parental controls as well. So, for example, if you wanted to block certain aspects of the internet for a child, a preteen, a teen, or an adult, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to say maybe teens. And you can block certain categories. So adult content, gambling, you have all these categories here that you can select. You can also block keywords. So if they go ahead and search for something online, that's going to go ahead and block it. So that's very important to have for a lot of people. So I'm glad to see a parental control. Number one, this is a high-end router, so you get just about every single feature that you want. Being an only have one active at a time. I'd like to see an update to have at least 2 active so I could have different tunnels, different areas for different devices. But it's still good to have a VPN client. I'm happy to see that on this router, as well as a VPN server. Now, as someone who likes to connect to my home network, this is something super important. This is something that I look for whenever I pick up a new router. VPN server allows you to connect remotely to your home network from wherever you are in the world. So you're able to, in essence, create your own VPN tunnel. Say you're in the UK, need to access US sites, you can connect back home to your TP-Link router. This is a great addition that I like to see on any router, and it's super easy to set up. Just click enable and then export the configuration file. And you also do have the protocols right down here, and you can see who's connected if anybody's connected. Another option here for those of you that use Alexa, you can have Alexa say, for example, prioritize gaming. So you can tell your assistant, hey, I'm about to game, let's turn on that gaming priority, and your assistant is going to be able to talk to the TP-Link router and do that for you. Now, if you need a mesh network, once again, I do have a mesh network because I just have a lot of interference where I am. You can go ahead and connect to a device that's compatible, and you can get that mesh Wi-Fi 6 connection. Now, speaking of mesh networks, unfortunately, it does not broadcast GPS networks. It only broadcasts the main instance ID. I kind of wish it broadcasted the AX network as well, but it only was the main connection. So that's just something I do want to mention about it. One mesh system, and that's what they call it. What good are all those fancy features if you don't have a lot of speed? So let's do a speed test right next to the router to kind of get our baseline. And there we go. My internet should be about 400 megabits down, so we're getting a little bit more. Thank you, Spectrum. And upload should be about 20. And now let's move, I'd say, about 30 feet away. So 30 feet away, we're still doing really good with the downloads. Now let's go to the second level. We're going to head on to the upstairs level, and we're going to be about 30 feet away in front of the router. That's where we are right now. So this is a speed test about 30 feet away on a second level. Speed is still really good. You can see that Wi-Fi 6 logo right at the top there.